Did you know that every second 2 people die but 5 people are born? It's a dance as old as time itself, this perpetual waltz between life and death. But what if we told you that this rhythm, once thought to be immutable, is subtly shifting? Enter the realm of science, a tool that we as a species have wielded to decipher the enigma of existence. In the early days, breakthroughs like sanitation and the germ theory of diseases nudged the hands of the mortality clock ever so slightly. We began to understand the invisible enemies that lurked in our water, our air, even within our own bodies. And with that knowledge, we pushed back against the inevitable, adding valuable seconds, minutes, years to our dance. As we ventured deeper into the realm of science, our understanding of life and death began to change dramatically. Imagine a world where a simple cut could mean death. A chilling thought, isn't it? But that was the reality for much of human history until the dawn of modern medicine. In the early 20th century, a remarkable revolution occurred. The discovery of antibiotics and vaccines changed the face of healthcare. It was like someone had flipped a switch, illuminating a path away from the grim reaper's door. Suddenly, diseases that were once considered death sentences became manageable, even preventable. Smallpox, polio, tuberculosis, the list goes on. These were the specters that haunted our ancestors. But thanks to these medical marvels, they were pushed back into the shadows. Life expectancy soared. Millions upon millions of lives were saved, and the human lifespan was dramatically extended. A simple cut no longer had to mean death. The dawn of modern medicine brought us into an era where death from common diseases became less of an inevitability. Indeed, we were no longer dancing with death at every turn, but instead stepping into a brighter, healthier future. Fast forward to the 21st century, where medical advances have made living beyond 100 a reality. In the grand scheme of human history, we're in an era that would have been unfathomable just a few generations ago. Just imagine, our DNA, the very blueprint of life, can now be edited and fine-tuned through gene therapy to correct defects and prevent diseases. Then there's stem cell research, a field that's revolutionizing regenerative medicine. It's empowering us to repair damaged tissues and organs, and even grow new ones in a lab. And let's not forget the leaps and bounds we've made in cancer treatments. From targeted therapies that attack cancer cells without harming healthy ones, to immunotherapies that boost our own immune system to fight off the disease, we are witnessing a paradigm shift in how we approach this formidable foe. With these cutting-edge technologies, we are not just surviving, we are thriving longer than ever before. But the dance of science and mortality is far from over. In the grand ballroom of discovery, research continues to waltz with possibility, exploring areas such as anti-aging, regenerative medicine, and artificial intelligence in healthcare. Anti-aging research, for instance, is delving into the cellular level, seeking ways to slow down or even halt the ticking clock of biological aging. Meanwhile, regenerative medicine is pushing boundaries, exploring the potential of stem cells and tissue engineering to replace damaged organs and tissues. Imagine a world where a failing heart or a damaged liver could be replaced, not with a transplant from a donor, but with a new organ grown from your own cells. Artificial intelligence, on the other hand, is revolutionizing healthcare by predicting diseases before they occur, personalizing treatments, and improving patient outcomes. As we stand on the brink of these scientific frontiers, we can't help but wonder, how far can science push the boundaries of our mortality? So, what's the verdict? Has science truly extended our lives? Let's take a moment to recap what we've covered so far. We've traced the footsteps of science and seen how it has danced with mortality. We've looked at the dawn of modern medicine and how it began to change the game. We delved into the medical advances that have pushed the boundaries of the human lifespan, and we've peered into the future of life extension, a future that seems almost within our grasp. Throughout this journey, one thing has been clear. Science has played a pivotal role in extending human life. It has helped us understand the factors that contribute to mortality, and given us the tools to conquer many of them. From understanding the basics of hygiene to unlocking the secrets of our genetics, science has been our compass, guiding us towards longer, healthier lives. In the dance of science and mortality, it seems science is leading the way, helping us live longer, healthier lives. But how long we can keep up the pace, only time will tell.